All set and ready to race, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Immensely from the outside. It's Immensely in the lead, followed by Mr. Jason and Prince Popeye moving up on the inside. Ikaw Banyaw and Blue Phoenix. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Immensely by Alain Caneha, followed by Prince Popeye moving up on the inside. And Mr. Jason, Ikaw Banyaw on the outside, and Blue Phoenix. And nearing the far turn, it is still Immensely moving up on the inside is Prince Popeye. Prince Popeye by the rail, Immensely on the outside. Mr. Jason and Ikaw Banyaw moving up on the outside in fourth. Rounding the far turn, Immensely on the outside, moving up on the inside is Prince Popeye. It's Prince Popeye by the rail, Immensely on the outside. Ikaw Banyaw and closing in third, and Mr. Jason. And the last bend for home, it's Immensely on the outside, and Prince Popeye moving up on the inside. On the farther outside is Ikaw Banyaw. It's Immensely, Ikaw Banyaw, and Prince Popeye moving up on the inside. Prince Popeye moving up on the inside, and Ikaw Banyaw moving up on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it's now Ikaw Banyaw. And finally, it's Ikaw Banyaw. Immensely, Prince Popeye, Mr. Jason, Boardwalk, Blue Phoenix, and Arrowhead.